Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you my review of the Jouer Rose Gold collection. They launched this earlier this month and it's beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, spoiler, there's your review. I purchased the blush duo, the rose gold lip cream, and the eyeshadow palette. There are a couple more lip products. There is an eye crayon, and there's a couple more blush shades, and I believe there is a rose gold highlighter. So the collection's a little bit larger. It's also available at Sephora online right now, so lots of places to get it. I might look a little pale, I might look a little bit... I always feel so unbalanced when my eyebrows are on, but the rest of my makeup isn't, and I've got foundation, and... Anyway, but you guys, I guarantee I will look better by the end of this video. Yes. So, let's start with the blush, just because, let's start with the blush. These are just so beautiful. You know me, I don't buy high-end blush very often. I am a drugstore blush person. It just ends up that way. And this particular duo might be my new favorite. It is rose gold, is this palette, and it's marigold and rose petal. And it's a combination of that peachy pink hue with a little bit of sheen and luminous. It's, yeah. And it just lends itself perfectly for my complexion. Like, it's just so lovely. I sort of mix both shades, and I've already put a little bit of contour on. I don't really have bronzer, so I'm just gonna make my cheeks look really youthful and rosy, and yeah. There we go. If I look bedraggled, it's because I just had to run outside and help a repairman in the rain. Okay, eyeshadow palette, here we go. Ready? Beautiful. Here we are. So it's a combination of matte and shimmers, neutrals, reds of course, well, rose tones, and some fun gold. Oh my gosh. Okay. What I love about Jouer shadows is they are so pigmented. Okay, so first row, you actually have 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So beautiful, so easy to work with, right? You have 3 shimmers and 1 matte. I feel like this is kind of the rose gold. So this is the second row. Not too red, kind of a perfect blend of peach tones, gold tones. The bottom color is definitely more of a strong, would you say maybe a plum burgundy? This gold is true gold. And then the 2 browns are quite pigmented and rich, especially for darker skins. I feel like the entire palette really does a combination. I kind of smeared that. You can see those are the mattes. I'm gonna go ahead and create an eye look. I don't really know what I wanna do. I don't have a plan yet, but I might do something a little bit different than I normally do. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm gonna take, they're labeled, thank goodness. So I'm gonna take Hazelnut, and I'm going all over my lid. Then I'm going in with Orchid. That's that really bright shade. And I'm going to go in with Rosewood. That is the other dark shade. I'm just kind of putting it right here. Kind of a halo eye, but kind of cheating. Now I'm going into Molten Gold. And I'm meeting the two together. Oh, I didn't want to go high, but that's okay. I'm going to put more hazelnut right there. I know, kind of weird, right? Okay, hang on. I am going to get in there a little bit more with hazelnut, and I'm going to join the two together, okay? See right there? So now I'm going to go in with Lace. It's kind of a matte pink bisque. I say bisque for just about every like light shade, don't I? Taking a pencil brush, and I'm going to go into Champagne right there. If you hear some pounding, that's the handyman. He's fixing a siding plank on our house. I was hoping to be able to do this while he works. Is that kind of weird? I'm going to take an angle brush, and I'm going to go in with Rosewood, and I'm going to go along the upper lash line. So I'm putting hazelnut on my lower lash line. I think with mascara and the rest of my lips, it's gonna look better. I'm going to put on the Jouer Skinny Dip highlighter. This is the one I have from Jouer. I don't have the others, but honestly, it's kind of the OG, right? And then I'm going to take Tawny Rose Lip Pencil. This is the perfect lip pencil to do before the Rose Gold matte cream, or I'm sorry, metallic lip cream. It's just perfect. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. This is the Rose Gold Lip Cream. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's also a lip topper in Champagne. I think I need to get it. Let me get some mascara on and I will be right back. Rosy gold. Ooh, yes, I know, right? Okay, I just transferred some mascara to my eyebrow. Oh, for God's sakes. There we go. This is why God invented Q-tips. I admit the eye look is a little bit out there for me, and maybe instead of gold, next time I'm gonna do the rose quartz shade right here because that's such a pretty pink and it might bring more light versus kind of jewel tone. But I'm just a fan of this collection. I think rose gold is kind of never going to die. And I just wanted to say a quick note. I love the lip cream because it lasts all day and it doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't get crackly or gross, and I love that. So there you are. Well done, Jouer. Thank you so much for making great stuff. There you go. So, okay guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And feel free to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I will see you next time. Bye.